Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make $200 every single day by just scrolling Facebook. So let's get started without wasting any other time. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So what this method is about. So today I'm about to show you an application which is used to create video ads. Yes, this application is so powerful that hundreds of companies like as popular as Instagram, YouTube, Getty Images, all of these companies use this app to create their video ads. They have clients from all across the world, and we are going to promote this app to a specific set of audience. Yes, you don't have to do any kind of research, you don't have to send these messages to unknown people from Facebook groups. Today I'm about to show you a unique method using which you'll be able to make $200 every single day by just sending message to specific people about this specific app. So before wasting any of the time, let's move forward. So this application right now, as you can see on the screen, is called as Promo, and as the name says, the domain name is promo.com. So you need to go to promo.com, and as you can see that it's the world's #1 online video maker. They have more than 2.5 million professionals who grow their business with their easy to use video creator application. As you can see that they have partnered with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Getty Images, and like you see how beautiful these videos are. They can be edited and created. You can add titles like these, you can add a lot of different stuff. They have won various awards for their amazing service and software. They also have templates which you can use, or anyone can use it who purchases their platform. And as you can see that they also give support to their customers, so that's a really good thing. Now if you want to read more about the app, if you want to see any of these templates, you can see that all of these are professionally created, and you can also use these to create your own videos. Now as you can see that they are being used by small businesses, marketing agencies, real estate agents, e-commerce stores, restaurants, education sector companies, recruiters, SaaS companies. They also offer a trial which you can do if you want to take a look at how this app works. You can see that their clients includes companies like Zoho, Disney, BBB, Hilton, Century 21, Virgin. So they have been used by so many popular companies out there. So definitely I'll recommend you that this is a good application and can be used by anyone to create amazing video ads. Now how much does it cost? So as you can see that they have this pricing button on the top. Also you can see that they have this e-commerce ads, Facebook video ads, Instagram story ads, Instagram video ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, Amazon ads. So all kinds of ads can be made for any platform. Now if I go to the pricing section here, you can see that they offer two plans here, monthly and annual, and both of these segments have these three plans: annual starter, annual business, annual agency, just like that, monthly starter, monthly business, and monthly agency. Now as you can see that first one, the cost is $18 per month, $59 per month, and $199 per month. If I make it annual, the cost is very low, $12 per month. So for 12 months, this is going to cost 12 into 12, this is going to cost 29 into 12, and this is going to cost 99 into 12. Now if you can see that the $12 plan just provides you with standard assets, whereas the $29 per month plan provides you with unlimited premium assets, 4,000 plus ready-made templates, unlimited video downloads, and your own branding. Now the $99 per month plan also offers you the ability to add 10 plus brands and reseller rights. Now let's say I want to go with this one. So to give you an idea of the cost, let me first open up the calculator, and then I'll do the calculations. 29 into 12, that makes it $348. So just imagine $348 for a software as good as these. This is a very low amount. $348 is nothing for these marketing agencies, and they get hundreds of other features which are not even mentioned above. So you can see that they get so many features which are mentioned here. Now if you want to go below, you can see that they have lots of amazing things here mentioned. Now I want you to go down below and go to the affiliates page. So you'll find this affiliate page under the company section here. Now on the affiliate page, as you can see that they have mentioned that you can promote the promo.com. If someone purchases using your link, you'll be making money. So become their partner, track your program, and earn money whenever someone purchases using your link. They have a 60-day cookie period. That means if you send someone to their link and even after 59 days he buys it on the 60th day, you still get commission. So that's the best part. Now you want to know how much money you can make, right? So you can make up to 30%. So 30% is an insane amount of money. Like, just imagine if someone goes for the medium plan and they buys for 348, that makes it 348 divided by 100 equals to, and then multiplied by 30. So for every sale you are making, you'll be making $104. So this is an insane amount of money. Let's say you do 2 sales every day and then you are doing it for 30 days in a month. You can easily make $6,000, and if you are willing to invest more time, you can make $10,000, $20,000 per month without any worries, without any issues. Now, how to promote this app, where to find the unique audience which I was talking about? Well, your unique audience is on Facebook, and no, it's not in Facebook group. We are going to find something amazing there. Let me go to that website, but before I do that, I want you to go to this affiliates page and click on join now button here, and then fill in your details by clicking on joining now. So when you do that, your account will be created, your application will be sent, and then you'll be able to start promoting it with your unique affiliate link. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go to facebook.com. Okay, so now on facebook.com, as you can see that whenever I scroll, I find an ad after every 5 to 7 posts. You can see there is an ad. So what you need to do is you need to open this URL. Then you are looking for more ads, so open more and more posts. As you can see, like this one, you can see that there are so many people coming here, and you can go to each one of these pages. Now after you come here, I want you to go to these pages one by one individually. For example, I go to this page, I need to click on the message button here. Then I need to send them a message which talks about our unique application. When you do that, they will see that their ad right now is just a text ad, there's no video involved in that. But when they actually purchase that application which helps them to create videos, they'll be really happy to see the results, and in return you are going to get commission. So just like that, you have to promote this application to all the ads creator out there. Yes, you don't have to promote this application to anyone else. You just have to promote your application to the ads people, to the people who are showing ads. So go to these brands, go to their URL and see who is actually the creator of that post and send him a message mentioning your app. So we have a very unique and targeted audience, so definitely there is a huge chance of making money online there. This method has already worked for a few of my students, and I want you to go try it as well. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.